Hello guys, how are we doing? How is our weekend? I hope we are all doing great and I hope we all enjoy this weekend and you also backtest your child because that is very important. That will really set you off for the week. Because when you backtest, there's this energy that comes with backtest. Come with full force, full confidence in the market, knowing fully that you know what you are gonna anticipate in the market. So how are we doing, guys? Real quick farm, as you guys can see on the video title, and as you guys know, what I usually do Sundays like this, you know, we are all here to, make sure that we review all the peers that will probably be monitoring for the coming week. And I guess the market is, still closed because today is Sunday, and in a few hours time, this market will be open. So, real quick, let's look at what is here for us so we can potentially have patience and also have something that we are having patience on, in order for us to actually execute for the coming week. Okay, so it's not just like coming to the market and then started chasing the market. you know Want to make sure that we have something specifically that we are actually looking out for. So this is the purpose of this video, right? So everything that we'll be sharing with us guys here, if you like it, you can put your chart and have the same markup because those are setup that I am monitoring. So the setup really makes sense to you, go to your trading view and add it to your trading view so that we can all have patience together and then see what this market will really play out. Okay, so real quick, as you guys can see on my screen right here, we have Europe USD. Okay, we have Europe USD, and last week I actually give us a forecast on this guy right here, which the market really go against us. Forecast did not really play out just like the way we expected, but that is the market. Okay, that is the market. But then we have a new trading range that price set up for us. So before I get started, let me first of all show us guys the daily time frame, okay? Because it is very important to always know where this market is coming from. So you guys can see right here from the daily time frame, this market is going this market is going down ever since January. This market has been going down. So we're not going to spend a lot of time on this daily time frame. Our main focus is the 4 hours time frame where we have the trade plan. Okay, so from the 4 hours time frame right here, you guys can see that we have also a bearish trend, right? We have a bearish trend. We have from lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then we have a lower low that just has just been formed, right? So now our next expectation, guys, our next expectation is to literally see price pulling back, taking out this liquidity right here, filling up this imbalance, and then mitigating off this area of supply. And once they mitigate off this area of supply, you guys know what we are going to wait for. We will potentially wait for a lower time frame break of structure of like the 30 minutes or time frame or the 15 minutes time frame break of structure before we dive in on this particular setup right here. There is no break of structure, there is no entry. Okay, we always wait for break of structure because that is what actually make our trading idea a sound trading idea. Without break of structure, trust me guys, I just feel like I'm trading structure. Okay, like I'm just trading structure. So this is what I'm currently waiting for on Europe USD. I'm looking for short opportunity. As simple as this. Like there's nothing really complicated right here unless you want to complicate it. So let's move down to GBP USD, and probably GBP USD and Europe USD appears that move alike. So you guys can see right here clearly, right? Everything look the same. Everything look the same. I'm expecting this liquidity that is resting above those highs right here to be taken out. Once they take out that liquidity, I'm expecting this imbalance to be filled, right? Once price fill up this imbalance, what's the next thing I'm looking at for a mitigation right from this area of supply? That price sweep liquidity before the massive drop downside, and then the last confirmation is just wait for that confirmation after price reverse back to this area of supply zone and then give us that confirmation right, on the 30 minutes time frame or the 15 minutes time frame before jumping in on this sell. And it's a massive one because once price give us the opportunity to jump in on this sell, our TP is going to be right below this, right here. That is where our TP is going to play, right below this previous lower low, because our next expectation is to see price taking out this previous lower low. Okay, because it's very very weak and market should always respect structure. Okay, so our next pair we're going to be looking at GBP JPY. We are going to be looking at GBP JPY. So let's go to the daily time frame right here. Let's go to the daily time frame, guys. Let's go to the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame right here, you guys can see that this market is really trending bearish, right? You guys can see that this market have really been trending bullish. You guys can see we have higher high, and then currently this market is pulling back to form a higher low. So with our understanding of the fractal nature of the market, we understand that as the market is pulling back, hopefully what we should be seeing on the 4 hour and 1 hour time frame is a form of lower lows and lower highs, because we understand multiple time frame analysis and we know how to scale in and out on different time frames. That is why you need to learn. That is why you really need to learn. If you can't do this, trust me, you are going to be making a lot of mistakes, because all you do is trading only one time frame, and probably you trading one time frame, there are times that market have already mitigated off a higher time frame area of demand or supply zone, and then you did not know that price have mitigated the higher time frame area of demand, and then you see a nice opportunity on that time frame is playing out, and then you went ahead and then execute the opportunity, and before you know, the market just go against you, right? The market just go against you. You'll be like, what the fuck? What happened? This market has been trending bearish for a while now. Now I want to execute. Now this market has taken me out. Like, that feeling as if the market is against you, no, is because you fail to understand multiple time frame analysis, and you fail to know that this market is reacting all from a higher time frame area of demand or area of supply, and you should not actually be looking out for any sales at that moment. Instead, wait for a confirmation in order for you to what, take any opportunity, because you did not know, you just went in and jumped in. So you need to understand multiple time frame analysis, but we're not really here for that, guys. We're not really here for that. So you guys can see right here, I was really having a demand level right here, which price pull back, but then I'm actually expecting price should take out this demand zone and then head direct to this one right here, because price have already hit this. So the expectation, to, is price should keep selling down. At the same time, with the confluence that I'm seeing right here on GBP JPY, is this harmonic pattern right here. You guys can see that, right? We have this harmonic pattern. So this D leg right here, I'm expecting it to be formed. Once it has been formed, we are expecting to continue going bullish on GBP. So since we're expecting this drop right here, that is moving down to the 2 hours time frame, we guys can see that after price reacted off from this strong supply level right here, right after price reacted from this strong supply level, we started breaking structure to the downside. Okay, because when market was actually trending up, you guys can see we have this clean form of higher highs and higher lows and higher highs, and then what happened? We had a break of structure, and after that break of structure happened, did we have a retest? Yes, we have. Price retested back that area of supply, and then what's next? Drop down, and then this is like a form of a trend line part, like trend line pattern. I don't actually trade trend line, but you guys can see now that this trend line right here, we have first bounce right here, second bounce, third bounce, fifth one. That is when this trend line fails to hold price. So you guys can see now, like, another confluence, right? Another confluence. So let's bounce back at this area of trend line right here, and then let's continue dropping to the downside. So you guys can see the trader here, how he's looking very very juicy and very sweet. Okay, trade idea is looking very very sweet, guys. Our trade idea is looking very sweet. So you guys can see it right here. So waiting for price to come, fill up those imbalances, right? Fill up those imbalances. And there's one thing that I've not been using right here, which is very important, which is bringing out my fib level. So let me bring out my fib level so that we can see where this price this supply level is actually aligning with. Okay, so bringing out my fib level, you guys can see that we are aligning. This our supply level right here is aligning with the 88.6 and the 78.6 of our fib level, which is a very nice discount area where we always wait for price to reverse back from mitigation. That's the most deepest discount we are always looking out for, right? And these areas are also aligned with our supply level. And not only the fib level, we can also see that we have some form of imbalance right there that are aligning with that area of supply level that added more confidence for me to personally look out for that area as an area of mitigation. But otherwise, once price tapped in there, you guys know what I do, right? I wait for a confirmation right here where you can decide to take your shot from this area of supply, and then let's see, are you able to make a 1 to 3? Yeah, once price tapped back this supply level, start dropping down, start dumping down. You can do this, right? But for me right here, like I said from the beginning of the call, what really make my trading idea a very sound trading idea is by waiting for this confirmation to happen, right? That is what truly makes my trading idea a sound trading idea. Without waiting for this confirmation, trust me, guys, I feel like I trade structure. So I want to see a 30 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame break of structure. Like, trust me, guys, those are my measure time frame where I wait for confirmation. I don't like go to 1 minute, 3 minutes, trying to like. I know how you guys try to do crazy things by trying to minimize stop loss. Bro. Real trading does not matter how many pips stop loss you have, as long as uh you analyze that market and that market is giving you a 99% assurance that it's going to sell, bro. Anyway, you keep your stop loss, right? You make money. So all these 2 pips, 3 pips, shit, you guys should stop it. So this is what I'm really looking at on GBP JPY. Price should pull back to this supply level, and then we wait for confirmation to take our short opportunity. Okay, so that's pretty simple. Okay, so moving next to NZD USD. Let's see what NZD USD is giving. Okay, I've not personally looked at that one right there, but let's see what NZD is giving. Okay. Oh, I've forgotten, man. I have a sweet straight idea right here. Like, the market is looking very juicy for the coming week. Don't play it. I'm telling you guys, the market is really looking juicy for the coming week. I believe we are going to make money. We are definitely going to make money. We're going to make money, but not by rushing. I'm not gonna rush it. We are going to take it slow and steady. So we have this right here. I believe I've marked this particular pair right here. It's my network that is making this thing not to show up. It's my network that is making this not to show up. So I have my supply. Sorry, we have a break of structure down there. After that break, we have supply level that fails to hold price, and then price break through that supply level, right? And then we have this we have this strong high right here. That's the protected high, and then we have this weak low right here, which we're expecting price to liquidate. And then since this market does not really move random in a random form, this market move in phases. As you guys, if you don't know, you guys should really know today, right? This market move in phases, and what are those phases? Any area of demand, if the market is trending bearish, any area of demand that price have not yet expected, once price reverse back to that area, is either we can see a consolidation happen there, or we see price making putting on a new lower high in order to continue with the original buyers, right? So that area is like a magnet area for price. So now we have this tab right here. This is now the reason why price is reacting currently from this zone right here is because this is a strong support level, right? We have support, we have first touch right here. I'm going to show you guys why I say that's a strong support. You can see another touch here again, and you guys can see another one right here, which is we are seeing a bullish candle already. So right from this 2 hours time frame right here. This is what I am personally waiting for. I'm looking at price to sweep out all this low right here, fill up this imbalance, mitigate up this supply level, which I'm gonna refine it more on the 1 hours time frame, which I told you guys I have this set up already. I told you guys it was my network. Like fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Okay. So this is it guys. This is it. This is it. So we can see right here at this my supply level right here, price swept liquidity. After they swept liquidity, we have that massive drop to the downside and leaving some form of imbalance behind. So the expectation is to see price filling up those imbalances, coming back to mitigate those unmitigated portion of price. The institutional orders, I mean, those unmitigated institutional orders. Price should come back mitigate, and then you guys know what I will wait for, right? I don't need to repeat myself over and over again. Just wait for that confirmation to happen, right? Just wait for that confirmation to happen. Once it has showed up, we strike. Okay. Once the confirmation showed up, we strike. So moving to the next pair that I'm also looking at. I think this is the last one right here. Like are you guys seeing the kind of setups I'm actually waiting for? Like, are you guys seeing those setups? Like, are you guys seeing how juicy the like very simple to analyze, very simple to like I don't need to like stress it like the way other guys do it. I'm not really here to stress myself. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not here to stress myself. Like I'm trying my possible best to see that whatsoever I'm doing in this market is just express. Express. So I'm not really here to be pointing, speaking grammars about this that will even confuse you that you're watching the video. I'm not here for that. I'm just here to simplify my thing and then see how the market goes because no matter how the market is the market that has the final say. No matter what, it's the market that have the final say. No matter the kind of strategy that you trade, the market that have the final say. So, I'm just here to simplify what I want, what I do the best, and then wait for the markets to do the rest. Okay? Wait for the markets to do the rest. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, all this capping, I'm waiting for this thing to come back because I have set up on this guy already. I have set up on this guy, just like what happened on NZD USD. The same thing is going on right here. Same thing is going on right here. I have the setup set already. So okay, or just keeping it short right here. I have the supply level right here that I'm currently monitoring price should come back right there. And for this one right here, I'm having like two area of supply level. And I want you guys to actually understand this, right? Some people will be like, are you always like why are you identifying two supply level and then trying to sell from them? One thing I want you guys to actually understand is that if price is giving you two clean area of targeting and those clean area of targeting are aligning with structure, right? That structural direction that you're actually looking at price should actually move towards to, right? It's not really a bad thing. Okay, it's not really a bad thing. That is why it's very important to always wait for a confirmation in the market. That is why it's very, very important, right? So for me right now, once price tapped in this area right here, I'm not just gonna go aggressively. Yes, I can go aggressively, but I don't go aggressively. I wait for a confirmation. So now you see that if this one will not hold, then we have this one right here. And I can even decide to go aggressively on this one because now I've seen that this area has been dated as a smart money trap. So if I was looking to sell from their price, I've taken them out. That's the early sellers, right? That fails to wait for confirmation. Price, I've taken them out and then wait. Now heading back to this supply level that looks very clean. You see everything you mentioned right there. You guys can see. You don't need to stress your eyes. You don't need to stress your eyes, guys. Everything is looking good right there. And then just set your limits and then wait for the market to do the rest. Right? Wait for the market to do the rest. You don't need to do anything. You don't really need to do anything. All you just have to wait for is wait for price. That's why trading is the transformation of words from an impatient trader to a patient trader. Understand this definition. Okay. understand this definition, and then you see how your trading will skyrocket, So this is it, guys. Sweep of liquidity right here. The same thing that happens here is the same thing that happens here. So we have our range right here. We're not expecting price to go above this high, and then we have this low right here. We're expecting price to go below that low, and then down here we have price reacting up from that indecisional candle right here. You guys can see right here, this is what I call indecisional candle, because now this level right here, if I should refine it more on like on the 1 hour time frame, we are going to definitely see a demand level there that has not been yet mitigated. Definitely, definitely we are going to see a demand level that has not been yet mitigated there. So you know let's just have that in mind, okay? And if you want to identify that, go to your chart, mark this out, and then do the back test, okay? And do the back test. So here is my supply level where I am anticipating to see price reversing back for mitigation. And once we tapped in this supply level, I'm looking for a confirmation. And if this fails to give me that confirmation, here is not the next thing. Right, we head to the next supply level and then wait for the same confirmation that we're looking to wait for right here, and then it doesn't happen and the market continue going up, it is absolutely fine. I'm just an analyst, right? I'm not the one that owns this market, guys. I'm not the one that owns this market. This market is a probability game, right? So you guys need to understand that, and also you guys really have to have this in mind that what I just finished sharing with us, guys, is my own personal opinion and what my strategy that I actually apply in the market is actually showing me. Okay, so the rest is for the market to do its thing, guys. The rest is for the market to do its thing. Me, I've already done my own. Okay, me, I've already done my own. So like, there's nothing more to do right here. So, guys, if you really love what I'm doing on this channel, right? I will be happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and then turn on that notification bell so that whenever I drop my weekly reviews like this, you will be highly notified. So let's go. I wish us guys all a profitable week, and don't forget to plan your trade. And if you want to get access to my, you know, Telegram channel, guys, where I usually call some of the trades that I take from my members. It's absolutely free. You can, click the link below this video right here. I made it available right there. You can click the link and then, to directly take you to the Telegram group. So you can be there, and then even though you have something to share with us, you can also come right there, and then let's grow together. Okay? Let's grow together. So let's go, fam. Just guys a profitable. Peace out.